Welcome to FFF News. My name's Poppy Glorbson.
And I'm Salvador.
And I'm Jumbo Jumbo.
In news today, local rats have opened a restaurant to the public where they serve rat-themed foods and other rat-dish foods.
And now for the weather.
I thought the weather forecast today is sunny and blue sky.
Huh?
And a slight chance of rain.
Wow, really great weather today, huh?
It's a scorcher out there.
Yeah, for real.
For real.
For real.
Baby's hungry!
To our next segment.
Michael Jackson is in my house.
He's in his house.
He's like as pale as the sun. Because he's like obviously like very inebriated when he's,
Yeah.
Like he just comes in my house. I'm happy to have him there, but like, I need to invite him there.
Yeah.
He's always drunk. And he always makes other people uncomfortable. Our problem
Right.
to
What
to deal
makes
with
one
it.
person comfortable won't make Michael comfortable, and vice versa.
Right, yeah.
It makes
My
me
house.
sick.
Yeah, it
And
makes
it's
you
not
sick.
even my
It
house.
makes you. Someone could be like sitting on a chair and he's like, "Don't do that!" I just don't like his voice.
Yeah.
I need to be honest about that.
Okay.
I really hate Michael Jackson.
Yeah.
He's a fine person. He needs to announce that he's coming. He shits in my kitchen. Anyways, it'd be like, Michael, what the? Oh, I'm just walking around. A free man can't walk around. It's America, and it's like, okay, well, it's my house. It has no boundaries, Yeah. Michael is in my house, Mr. Jackson, walking around. He's taking all of my spices, digging them in his pants. Like, I can't. Pants are like really big. Unscrewing all of my light bulbs and like putting them in different places. And that doesn't really matter because they're just light bulbs. Dude, what the f? Like, why are you doing that?